Hey everyone, so in this video I'll show you how to compile Super Mario 64 for Android with Render96 support currently. So this process may change in the future, but this is how it works right now. Uh, this will work for, well, this will use DynOS or dynamic options system, and well, it works with animal compatible with DynOS or Dynos, or I have no idea how you're supposed to pronounce it. I'm just gonna um pronounce it like DynOS for the rest of the video. So this will use DynOS, and it will work with uh, any model that's compatible with DynOS. So including the latest Render96 3.0. Um, I'm gonna use my SM64 Android builder for this. Just as a quick note, I know I have a Galaxy S20 background, and while I ported this version of Android, it's Android 11, by the way, uh, from the Galaxy S20. I don't have a Galaxy S20, I have a Galaxy A8 2018. So, yeah, that's just to clear up some confusion. So, we're gonna start with opening SM64 Android builder for the first time. Uh, on the initial setup, it will tell you to download Termux from F-Droid. I can click on it, and well, you can download it from either the F-Droid app or from Chrome if you don't have an F-Droid installed, and I assume lots of people don't. So yeah, I'd suggest installing the F-Droid app, but it's up to you. You can just download Termux from F-Droid and Chrome. Um, you may ask why we're downloading from F-Droid and not Google Play anymore. That's because we, well, Google introduced some policies into the Google Play Store that prevent Termux from updating to the latest version because uh, that would break stuff because of how Termux works. So the Play Store version is long outdated, and it's not the latest version. You you need the F-Droid version for, well, for for basically anything to work apart from very basic stuff, because the repos changed and it doesn't work. Um, so what you need to do after you installed Termux is to press on this copy command and open Termux. Copy command. It was a button, whatever. So you paste the command in and press enter. You just wait a bit, and I'll be back when it's done installing everything. Okay, it's almost done. It's just git cloning the repo and downloading SDL2. And it's done. So now we can go back to the Android builder and set the paths. So for the base ROM, you'll need a, well, I didn't test DynOS with any version other than the US version. I've heard about it not working on non-US versions, so I recommend I'd recommend you to use the US version. So you can just select the ROM for the uh, data slash Android slash data slash com.vdavid003 slash SM64 port directory. On Android 7 to 10, you'll need to select the directory I just said, um, and this will just work. On Android 11, Google enforced scope storage even more, and well, you can't access that path on Android 11. So this issue is not yet fixed in the builder, but we can work around this issue by using Solid Explorer, and I'll show you that later. For now, I'll select this SM64 folder made specifically for this purpose. You can use any empty folder, or, well, any folder actually. You just need to copy the base.zip to the right directory using Solid Explorer, or any explorer that supports that directory. So I'm just gonna use this folder, and yes, I allow. For the Termux SM64 port Android directory, um, you'll need to select it. Select Termux from the left side, open this SM64 port Android directory, and click on use this folder. If you want to know how this works, you can check out my previous tutorial, which was recorded on Android 10, and that had this one working properly. This is only needed for, or if you enable external data, and that's only really needed if you wanna install texture packs and stuff like that. So yeah, we can go back now, and for DynOS right now only the ex/nightly branch has DynOS, so you need to select that. Click on, well, I'm gonna enable the 60 FPS patch and DynOS, and I'm gonna also enable external data for demonstration purposes. Um, so what you have to do is click on copy command and go back into Termux, paste the copied command into Termux, and then press enter. I'm gonna be back when it's done. By the way, this process will take a while, so sit down, drink some tea or whatever you like, and just wait until it finishes. Okay, so it's almost done. It just has to sign it, and it's done. So now we'll have to install the APK using package installer, of course, not Termux. Let it install, and if we try to open it now, due to the external data, it will not load up, just throw an error. So what we need is to tap on install external data, and if you are running Android 7 to 10 and you click this, skip this step because you don't need to mess with this, since you can set the this directory to the right directory. Of course, you need to set it to the right directory for it to work, but yeah. But in our case, currently we have to work around the problem. So we get this base.zip. Let me just refresh this. So we get this base.zip, which we need to copy inside internal memory, Android data, com.vdavid003.sm64 port. You can access this in Solid Explorer, files, res, and just paste it here. And now you can, you can open Mario 64.
It's me, Mario! Hello!
And this shouldn't be laggy. What is going on?
It's me, Mario! Hello!
Okay, it may be laggy because I'm recording. Wherever you can start a new game.
Dear
So
Mario, please come to the castle.
you won't have Render96
Yours truly,
stuff
Princess Toadstool.
just yet,
Peach.
but everything else will work. Let me just skip this for you. So yeah, we have this working. As you can see, we can go into DynOS and do basically whatever we want with it. It just works. Let's just do the foot race. What is going on with my game? Let me just... Listen case enable. Oh Jesus, what the... Okay, that's some bug that wasn't here before. And it's... Let's just go full screen on. I don't know why this happened, but okay. Okay, this fixed it. Okay, I'm pretty bad. There we go. Let's just skip this. So we're done. Okay, me recording this this really does slow this game down for some reason.
Here we go!
I have no idea why this is happening, but okay. Because outside recording this plays just fine. So, to install Render96, we'll need to get the DynOS version of Render96. And well, we don't get the DynOS folder created by default, so in the files here we'll have to create it manually. So we just create this and a Apex folder inside of there. And here we'll have to copy this folder over here, just extract it there. Wait until it's finished. I just skip this. So we're almost done. Yep. By the way, I forgot to mention this, but you used to put your base.zip right here, but I made the game more like how it is on PC, so you have to put it in the res folder now. And you also have to put texture packs inside of there, so you can just extract the GFX folder to here, and you can install texture packs that way. Sound packs might have some problems. You can because inside our base.zip I have modified it to work a little bit different to avoid problems with 32-bit and 64-bit support. So to differentiate it, because sounds, sounds need to be compiled for 32 bits and 64 bits, a bit different. And it's a bit different for big NDN and little NDN too, if you know what that means. But usually, if your device is 64-bit and you download a 64-bit sound pack, you can just rename the files to be like, instead of bank underscore sets, you have to, I think on ARM64 you have to type .le.64 after it, but I've never tested it, so yeah. So back to the game. I'm not gonna install this texture pack as my phone really just cannot handle it. So, but believe me, it works. So I'm just gonna go back and, well, let's just close Mario 64 first and open it up again.
It's me, Mario! Okie dokie!
Let's just load the game. So now if we go into the DynOS menu, we can see there's a model packs here, and there is the Render96 models in here. You can just press A to enable it, and we have it enabled. Hooray! Everything just looks just like this. And sorry for the lights. It's just also because I'm recording. Like outside of recording, it's actually it actually runs pretty good. I noticed that recording running it lags sometimes. But hey, it's a phone, and it's a phone from 2018 that really officially only got Android 9, and running Android 11 from the Galaxy S28, so on it. So, and I didn't even really optimize it for gaming. So yeah, it's not gonna be fast on my phone, but hey, outside of recording, it works just fine. So this pretty much wraps up the tutorial. There's nothing really to talk about here. It works. Go into other parts of this. Right. For some reason the trees rotated the camera, even though there are models, not pictures anymore. So I don't know why that happens. But that happens on PC too if I use it on SM64EX. I don't think it happens on Render 96EX, but I don't have Render 96EX ported to Android yet, so sorry about that. Please. Wait, what the? I thought I fixed that. Well, that's good. Oh, I know I know what's the issue. For you guys, this will be fixed, so don't worry about this. So, with the game crashing, I just end this video here. Sorry for this tutorial being 23 minutes. Oh my gosh. So, sorry about that. Thank you for watching and have a great time.